If you're experiencing extra gas, such as belching, bloating, and discomfort in the stomach or gut, Bicarsim Forte can help relieve those symptoms. It contains simethicone, which helps break up gas bubbles in the gut. Be sure to check the ingredients on the label, as they may have changed since you last used the product. Also, be cautious of products with similar names, as they may contain different ingredients meant for different purposes. It's important to take the right product to avoid any harm. As for the daily dosage, it's best to follow the instructions on the packaging or consult with a healthcare professional. Bicarsim Forte can be taken at any time of the day, but it's typically recommended to take it after meals or at bedtime for best results. When taking Bicarsim Forte, it's important to follow the directions on the product package. If your doctor has prescribed this medication, be sure to take it exactly as directed. If you have any questions about how to take Bicarsim Forte, don't hesitate to ask your doctor or pharmacist for guidance. This medication is typically taken by mouth, usually as needed after meals and at bedtime. The dosage will depend on your age, medical condition, and how you respond to the treatment. It's crucial not to increase your dose or take Bicarsim Forte more frequently than directed. Additionally, be sure not to take more of this medication than recommended for your age. For those using the chewable tablets, it's important to chew each tablet well and then swallow. If your condition persists or worsens, or if you suspect you may have a serious medical issue, it's essential to seek medical help right away. If you experience any unusual effects while using Bicarsim Forte, it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist right away. However, it's important to note that most people do not experience any serious side effects when using this product. In rare cases, a very serious allergic reaction may occur. Symptoms of a serious allergic reaction include rash, itching/swelling, especially of the face/tongue/throat, severe dizziness, and trouble breathing. If you notice any of these symptoms, seek medical help immediately. It's important to remember that this is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you notice any other effects not listed here, be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist. As for the best time to take Bicarsim Forte, it's important to follow your doctor's instructions. They will have determined the best dosage and timing for your specific needs. If you have any concerns about the daily dosage or timing, be sure to discuss them with your doctor. If you have any allergies or health problems, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist before taking Bicarsim Forte. The chewable tablets may contain sugar and/or aspartame, so if you have diabetes or any other condition that requires you to limit these substances, make sure to consult your doctor or pharmacist before using this product. It's also important to inform your doctor about all the products you use before having any surgery. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, consult your doctor before using Bicarsim Forte. When taking Bicarsim Forte, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions that could affect how your medications work and increase the risk of serious side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription/non-prescription drugs and herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. You should never start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. It's also important to note that simethicone, an ingredient in Bicarsim Forte, can decrease the absorption of thyroid medications such as levothyroxine. If you take thyroid medication, it's recommended to take it at least 4 hours before or after products that contain simethicone. This can help ensure that you are getting the full benefit of your thyroid medication. If someone has taken too much Bicarsim Forte and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. In the U.S., you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, you can call a provincial poison control center for assistance. Make sure to attend all your medical and lab appointments. If you're experiencing gas problems, you may want to consider limiting foods that are known to cause gas and bloating, such as beans, cabbage, and high-fat foods. You can also try using digestive enzymes. It's a good idea to talk to your doctor or a dietitian for help reviewing your diet. Belching can be caused by swallowing too much air. This can happen if you eat or drink quickly, chew gum, or smoke. Pay attention to your eating and drinking habits to see if this could be a factor for you. If you forget to take a dose of Bicarsim Forte on your regular schedule, take it as soon as you remember. If it's close to the time for your next dose, then skip the missed dose and take the next one at your regular time. Don't take a double dose to make up for the missed one. It's important to take Bicarsim Forte at the same time every day for the best results. It is important to store Bicarsim Forte at room temperature, away from light and moisture. Avoid storing it in the bathroom and keep it out of reach of children and pets. Do not flush this medication down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. When this product is expired or no longer needed, consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for proper disposal. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.